I'm back.
Alright, I'm going to be using 4 cards, which are 4 of hearts, 3 of hearts, 2 of hearts, ace of hearts. Alright?
Yep.
I'm going to use the magical deck. I can say it's magical, that's just quite bullshit. Alright, so if we take our 4 cards, put them on top, give it a slap or something, not literally give it a slap, alright? And now if you look, we've still got 1, 2, 3, 4 cards.
Yeah.
We're going to take the 4 hearts and the 3 hearts in between the ace and the 2 and square them up. Right?
Right.
Now if we give it a shake, 2 hearts, 4 hearts, the card's turned over, 3 hearts. So now if we square them up, give it a shake. So we've got the 3 of hearts, the ace of hearts, that's been turned over, and the 4 of hearts, so the 2 of hearts is turned over. Right.
Yeah.
Square them back up. Give it a shake. 4 of hearts, 2 of hearts, that'll be the 3 of hearts, and there's the ace.
Yeah.
Square them up. Do it again. Ace of hearts, 3 of hearts, mystery card, 2 of hearts. So that means that has to be the 4 of hearts. Right?
Right.
But now, if we take our 4 of hearts that was turned over, we'll put it to the bottom, get rid of it, give it a shake. Then we've got 1 blue, 2 blue, 3 blue, 4 blue, they've all turned blue. I'll just drop some cards. And the whole deck's turned blue. Da 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 da.
That's cool.
La 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 la.